Hi everyone, it's Dr. Katie. I just wanted to come on here and show you how to use our Select Replace tool. I hope that you already know about this and you're using it, but if you don't, it's going to be amazing and help you speed up your editing process. So if you're in one of those appointments where the owner spells the pet's name a little different, you can change all instances of that name spelling in the record before you save it. Basically, what you have to do is over here in the corner of the screen, you have to press the select replace so that you can see that the color is changed. So this is off and this is on. And now you have to highlight a word and this will pop up. And you can change every instance of the spelling of the word so we can see if they spelt it like this. Then every time Oscar was in the record, it would be changed to the correct spelling. I hope that helps.